I still remember the absolute panic of hosting 20 people and running out of propane halfway through cooking the burgers. I tried switching to a cheap charcoal grill I had out back, but it took way too long to heat up. Finding a combo grill that actually does both gas and charcoal well is a massive headache. Most of them are just two terrible grills glued together, but I tested a bunch of them. Here is what matters. Let me show you which ones are actually worth your money, and one that absolutely blew me away. 6. Char Griller Dual Function Gas and Charcoal Grill. Well, when I first hauled this thing onto my patio, I had pretty high hopes. It looks massive and promises the best of both worlds without entirely emptying your wallet. You get 3 gas burners on one side and a traditional charcoal barrel on the other. Having both options side by side feels like you're ready to tackle any weekend barbecue scenario. It is a very appealing concept for anyone who just cannot decide between convenience and flavor. But actually cooking on it is a slightly different story. Let me explain what happens when you fire up the gas side. The burners do get hot enough to sear a decent steak, but the heat distribution is incredibly uneven. I found myself constantly playing musical chairs with hot dogs and chicken breast just to keep things from burning on the left while staying raw on the right. You know, you really have to babysit the food more than you should have to on a gas grill. Then you have the charcoal side. I love the flavor of charcoal, but the metal on this barrel is just too thin. I mean, if a slight breeze rolls through your backyard, you're going to watch your internal temperature drop dramatically. You end up burning through way more charcoal than necessary just to maintain a steady 300 degrees. It makes smoking ribs or doing any long, slow cook a frustrating babysitting job. 5. Pit Boss Memphis Ultimate 4-in-1. You know, this thing is an absolute monster of a machine. It literally has a gas grill, a charcoal grill, and an electric smoker all stacked into one massive unit. When I first fired it up, I felt like a mad scientist. The sheer amount of cooking space is honestly staggering. You can theoretically smoke a pork shoulder down below while flipping burgers on the gas side and searing hot dogs on the charcoal side all at once. But here is what matters when you actually try to use all those features. The electric smoker at the bottom is actually pretty fantastic. It holds temperature surprisingly well and infuses a great smoke flavor into whatever you put in there. You can even route the smoke up into the gas or charcoal chambers for cold smoking cheese or fish. I mean, that part of the design is genuinely clever and worked great during my tests. However, things get messy when we look at the top sections. The gas grill side suffers from some of the same issues as the char griller. The burners are okay, but they feel a bit underpowered when you really want a hard sear. And because the whole unit is so heavily ventilated to allow smoke to travel through, holding high heat on the gas side on a windy day is a real struggle. I was constantly adjusting the dials just trying to keep it hot enough for steaks. Nexgrill Oakford 1150 Pro. Now we are getting into the territory of grills that I actually really enjoyed using. This unit brings a lot of modern features to the traditional combo setup. The very first time I used it, I was struck by how solid the construction felt compared to the previous two. The hood is heavy, the dials have a nice resistance to them, and the whole thing just sits firmly on the patio without wobbling when you scrub the grates. The gas side on this model is a significant step up. It features 4 main burners that actually push out a very consistent and even heat. I threw down a whole tray of chicken thighs, and I did not have to constantly rotate them to avoid cold spots. Let me explain how nice it is to just trust your grill. You set the temperature and it stays there. The built-in sear station is also a massive bonus for getting that perfect crust on a ribeye. On the charcoal side, the Oakford performs admirably. The adjustable charcoal tray is a feature I absolutely love. You can easily crank the coals up right under the grates for a hard sear, or lower them down for a gentler, indirect cook. You know, having that mechanical control over the heat makes charcoal grilling so much more approachable. It held temperatures beautifully during a 3-hour rib cook, barely requiring any vent adjustments. My only real gripe with this one is the included Smart App integration.
3. American-made grills, Encore. Well, let me just start by saying this is a completely different beast. This is a luxury, high-end machine that will probably outlast your house. When I tested this one, I was instantly blown away by the massive slabs of 304 stainless steel used everywhere. It is incredibly heavy, breathtakingly gorgeous, and feels like professional restaurant equipment sitting in your backyard. What makes this unique is that it is a true hybrid. Instead of a split design with gas on one side and charcoal on the other, the whole grill can do both. You have these massive gas burners underneath multi-purpose fuel trays. You just dump your lump charcoal or wood chunks right into the trays, turn on the gas burners to ignite the solid fuel, and then turn the gas off. Let me tell you, lighting charcoal has never been faster or easier in my life. The performance is simply off the charts. If you want to just use gas for a quick Tuesday night dinner, those burners get insanely hot. We're talking over 800 degrees in minutes. When you switch to charcoal, the heavy-gauge stainless steel retains heat better than almost anything else I have ever used. You can sear, bake, smoke, and roast with absolute precision. The heat is incredibly even across the entire 54 inches of cooking space. You know, there really aren't any performance drawbacks here. It cooks flawlessly. It takes a little muscle because everything is built so thick and heavy. 2. Oklahoma Joe's Canyon Combo Dual Fuel 3-burner. I mean, if you want something that looks aggressive and performs like an absolute champion, this is the one. Oklahoma Joe's is famous for their heavy-duty smokers, and they brought that exact same rugged DNA to this combo grill. From the moment I put it together, I knew this was a serious piece of equipment. The steel is thick, the grates are heavy cast iron, and it just begs to be cooked on. The charcoal and smoking side is where this grill truly shines. It comes with a side firebox, making it a genuine offset smoker. I spent an entire Saturday smoking a brisket on this thing, and the temperature management was an absolute breeze. The thick steel holds heat incredibly well, and the baffles let you dial in the airflow perfectly. You get that authentic deep smoke ring and incredible bark that you just cannot fake. Then you move over to the gas side, and it does not disappoint. It features 3 powerful burners that light up instantly and provide a really solid, even heat. You know, usually on these heavy-duty combos, the gas side feels like an afterthought, but here it easily held 400 degrees for baking pizzas and gave me a gorgeous sear on some thick pork chops. It is exactly what you want for a quick weeknight meal. The storage and prep space on this model is also incredibly well thought out. Weber Performer Deluxe. Well, I know what you might be thinking. This is technically a charcoal grill, not a traditional split combo. But let me explain why it sits at the absolute top of my list for anyone looking for the convenience of gas and the flavor of charcoal. This grill uses a built-in propane ignition system to light your charcoal. It completely changed the way I grill, giving me the speed of a gas grill with the undeniable taste of real fire. You just fill the baskets with briquettes, push a button, and the gas flame blasts the coals. In 10 to 15 minutes, you are ready to cook.
I mean, it completely eliminates the need for lighter fluid or messy chimney starters. You get to come home on a Wednesday after work, hit a button, and have real charcoal flavor in the time it takes most gas grills to preheat. It is the smartest hybrid concept on the market. The performance of the classic Weber kettle is legendary for a reason. The bowl shape creates perfect convection heat. Whether you're searing steaks directly over the blazing hot baskets or doing a low and slow indirect cook for a whole chicken, the temperature control is flawless. The porcelain enameled finish holds heat beautifully and will literally last for decades without rusting. I have left this thing out in the rain and snow, and it still looks brand new.